welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to upload photo in HD to Facebook. If you want to upload photos on HD on Facebook, in today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to do that. If you're first off, you coming across this channel, please just subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right into the video. First step you need to take, you need to open up your Facebook account. On your Facebook here, you need to click on the three line at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on that, you need to scroll down gently and click on settings and privacy, and click on settings as well. And then you need to scroll down till you get to media. Then here you are going to be setting your video quality to optimize. This one, yeah. So here mine is on optimized, and for the autoplay in feed and stories on mobile data and Wi-Fi. So you need to set it to mobile data and the Wi-Fi. So that is how you can actually set your photos you upload on Facebook to HD. Found those the helpful because I can't be very under those video. Please just subscribe to the channel. Let me section you as to find it difficult on this channel. I want to say to give you guys feedback. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.